Paolo, thanks for being here. And so we are now in this beautiful castle that hosted the public launch of the ECOS project. But before this, can you tell us a couple of words about your research interest and the role of CNR in this project?
I'm Paolo Cignoni. I came from CNR, from an institute in Pisa. I lead a computer graphics research lab that has a long, quite long tradition in working with both computer graphics and its impact with the cultural heritage. We have a long experience in developing tools, open source tools for this community. Some of our tools are used by thousands of people around the world. And actually we are bringing our experience of building actual useful tools inside ECOS. For this task I am responsible of a couple of things inside ECOS. I am responsible of the work package 8, that actually it's the work package devoted to the development of the so-called vertical application. That is one of the central point of the innovation pillar, of which I am also responsible of ECOS. And they are one very peculiar things of ECOS that are they round all about the idea of trying to build not some kind of Uber application for cultural heritage that try to solve all the systems, all the problems that people in this profession, in these communities can have, but actually try to build some specific vertical application devoted to specific problems, so that these kind of applications are much more adapted to these needs, so much more specific, much more direct and easy to be used, and much more probably, it is much more probable that they are used by this community, guaranteeing some hopefully success of this kind of application. The fact that they are vertical, and this is one of the key points of the innovation pillar, doesn't prevent the fact that they are interoperable. Because actually one of the other key points of ECOS is that this kind of vertical application should be built by components that are reused by multiple different vertical applications, and is actually the build of this set of components that build up digital ecosystems that allow you to build multiple vertical applications that actually solves many different problems for the community in very actual, practical and useful way. That's more or less the key point of my role here. And actually the experience in developing a successful open source application probably could help to be sure that these kind of vertical applications are actually useful and practical to be used.
How would you describe the added value of the ECOS, of the collaborative cloud platform set up by the ECOS project? So what kind of innovative tools, technologies will our users be able to find in this new infrastructure?
Actually, there are many innovative points in this project that are worth mentioning. Probably one of the very important key points is actually the existence of a common knowledge base that is work package 7 role to be developed, that actually build a kind of substratum for all the application to guarantee the strong interoperability of the metadata that we produce for the data that we insert. And probably beside the fact of trying to target to very specific problems and with small components that are reusable, these things are the two main technological innovation aspects that are important in this project.
Thanks so much.